Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Is your peace lily plant looking very weak, small, and taking a long time to grow? Many people ask me how to properly use chemical fertilizers for plants and what dosage should be appropriate. However, on my channel, I completely guide you on how to use homemade organic fertilizers naturally. Today, I will guide you through a formula made from simple, economical, and completely natural ingredients to help revive peace lily plants, support healthier growth, and encourage more vibrant blooming again. If applied correctly, the peace lily plant will gradually recover more healthily, develop glossier green leaves, and especially produce more beautiful and longer-lasting flowers during the following period. To make fertilizer for the peace lily plant today, I will use a lemon to create a natural nutrient solution that is very beneficial for indoor plants. This fertilizer is especially suitable for peace lily plants that are weak, have yellow leaves, or need stimulation for healthier root, leaf, and flower development. First, I will peel off the lemon peel, then cut it into small pieces. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Lemon peel contains many natural essential oils, antioxidants, and organic acids beneficial for plants. These natural compounds help support cleaning the environment around the root system, limit bacterial growth, and help the growing medium become cleaner and more balanced. In addition, the essential oil from lemon peel also has a natural fragrance that helps limit the appearance of certain small insects around the plant pot. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, I will place all of the chopped lemon peel into a clean jar. Then add about 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. Coffee helps provide additional organic substances and natural minerals, supporting the plant in developing greener, healthier leaves and stimulating root system activity. After that, I will pour about 1 liter of hot water into this mixture. Hot water helps better extract nutrients and beneficial compounds from the lemon peel and coffee, making the solution richer in nutrients when used for the peace lily plant. Next, I will close the lid and let the mixture steep for about 3 hours until the water cools naturally. Now, I will continue preparing another completely natural solution from fresh lemon juice. First, I will use about 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water. Then squeeze half a lemon and add the juice directly into the water. Lemon juice contains natural organic acids and many beneficial compounds that help support cleaning the environment around the roots, limit bacteria, and help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Next, I will stir this mixture thoroughly until obtaining a simple, refreshing, and nutrient-rich natural solution. First, I will use this solution to wipe the leaves of the peace lily plants. I will use soft cotton or a soft cloth lightly soaked in the solution, then gently wipe evenly across the entire surface of the plant leaves. Wiping the leaves not only helps remove dirt and residue attached to the leaves, but also helps the leaves become more airy so the plants can photosynthesize more effectively. In addition, the natural nutrients from lemon also help the leaves become glossier green, support limiting bacteria, and help the plant appear fresher and healthier after a period of care. When wiping, you should gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to clean them more thoroughly without damaging the leaf surface. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Not only for peace lily plants, you can also use this solution to wipe the leaves of many other plants in the garden or indoor plants. Regular leaf wiping helps plants stay clean from dust, makes the leaves glossier and more beautiful, and supports more effective photosynthesis. In addition, the natural nutrients from lemon also help leaves become fresher and healthier, while helping limit certain bacteria or small insects attaching to the leaf surface. As long as it is used correctly and at a suitable concentration, this will become a simple but very useful plant care tip for many different ornamental plants. After about 1 hour of steeping, I will filter out all of the lemon peel and coffee residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid for use on the plant. Filtering out the residue helps make the solution cleaner, preventing blockage on the soil surface or residue buildup on the leaves and root system during plant care. Next, I will dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water. This step helps reduce the acidity and nutrient concentration in the solution to a safer level so the plant can absorb it more safely. If used too concentrated, especially for weak plants or plants with sensitive roots, the plant can very easily become shocked or suffer root burn. Method 2. Next, I will pour this solution into a mist spray bottle. Then lightly and evenly spray around the entire peace lily plant. The fine mist form helps the solution adhere evenly to the leaves and surrounding plant area, helping the plant absorb nutrients more gently and naturally. In addition, the moisture from the light mist layer also helps the plant limit water loss, especially useful for plants with yellow leaves or weakened conditions. When spraying, you should lightly spray with a moderate amount and avoid leaving too much water standing on the leaves or inside the leaf joints to limit the risk of fungal diseases. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips for other plants in the garden during spraying. Spraying this solution can bring several noticeable benefits to plants when used moderately and with the correct dosage. Thanks to the natural properties of lemon, this mixture helps keep the leaf surface cleaner and reduces the buildup of dirt, excess moisture, and organic debris. Citric acid in lemon juice has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce the presence of bacteria and fungi that commonly cause leaf rot, black spots, or early yellowing in ornamental plants. It also helps gently clean the surface of leaves and stems, removing dirt, small microbial layers, and tiny debris that are difficult to see with the naked eye. Method 3. Pour the solution into a specialized watering bottle, then gently water directly around the base of the peace lily plants. When watering, you should mainly focus around the root system area, so the plant can absorb nutrients more effectively. The lemon and coffee solution helps support cleaning the environment around the roots, provides a light amount of organic nutrients, and helps the plant develop more healthily over time. However, you should only water with a moderate amount to maintain stable moisture for the soil, avoiding overly wet growing medium, because this can cause the root system to easily become waterlogged and weakened. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The same applies to other plants. You only need to water a moderate amount around the base for the plant to absorb nutrients. There is no need to water excessively at one time because plants develop better when the soil maintains stable moisture while still remaining airy. If you consistently maintain care in this way, the plant will gradually become greener and healthier, develop stronger leaves, and produce more new flowers. In addition, the natural extracts also help support increasing the vitality of the plant, helping the leaves become greener and healthier while limiting drooping softness or lack of vitality when grown indoors. Results. When properly cared for and supplemented with suitable nutrients, peace lily plants will develop very well and recover noticeably over time. The leaves become glossier green, healthier, and grow thicker with many new leaves continuously appearing. The root system inside also develops more steadily, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. Not only that, the plant also begins developing additional beautiful new white flowers full of vitality. This proves that as long as the proper environment is created and the plant is cared for correctly, peace lily plants can absolutely grow green, healthy, and produce beautiful flowers right at home. The other plants in my garden also gradually became greener and glossier after being cared for in this way. Especially the anthurium flowers also became more vibrant red, fresher, and developed full of vitality. This shows that as long as plants are properly cared for, supplemented with suitable nutrients, and maintained in a stable environment, They will always reward us with lush green foliage and brilliantly colorful flowers. Please care for your plants with enthusiasm, patience, and passion. Then every day your garden will gradually become greener, fuller of vitality, with healthy plant pots and brilliantly blooming flowers throughout the year. What do you think about today's plant care method?